Hello, welcome to Four Seasons Hosting YouTube channel. Today, we'll learn how to earn money using Four Seasons Hosting affiliate program. First, we have to create an account in the website. Click on Client area, then click on Login, Billing to create account. If you are an existing user, log in using the credentials you used to create the account. If you are not an existing user, then click Create Account. Now, you can sign up through Discord, or you can fill up the details to register. Make sure to read the terms of service. After clicking on Register button, an email will be sent for verification. Now, click on the Affiliates tab, is shown in the video. Click on Activate Affiliate Account. Now, you can copy the link and share it among your friends and so on to earn money. As soon as you hit $25, you can withdraw. If you refer a customer every month, you will continue to earn every month. In addition to that, you get additional perks on our Discord, like access to hidden channels and many more. Like and subscribe to get notified every time we upload a tutorial.